To use your keyboard as virtual touchpad on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the touch and hold spacebar function to cursor control. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find General Management. Tap General Management and then tap Samsung Keyboard Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Swipe, Touch and Feedback. Tap Touch and Hold Spacebar. And then select Cursor Control. To use this feature, open an app where you can type with your keyboard, like when you are editing a note. Tap and hold the spacebar to turn your keyboard as a virtual touchpad. Without lifting your finger, swipe your finger to control the cursor movement. As the example, swipe your finger upward to move the cursor to the top, or swipe your finger to the left to move the cursor to the left, and so on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.